welcome back. My name is Steph. Today we're going to look at this item here. We're talking about Ergopixel. We can look at the box. It's a really nice box. You can see it's not bad. In the back they tell you almost everything in the back, and in the front too. They show you a few stuff in the front. So we're talking about a 10-inch ring light, and the stand can go up. It starts at 3.9 to all the way at 6.8 feet. And now let's look inside the box to see what exactly we have to put everything all together. Look inside, we can see the light, the ring light, the stand all the way down, and let me show you a little bit more. Here you can see the user manual, and this guy is multi-language. This is going to be the 10-inch ring, the light. You can see here where you're going to attach your cell phone holder. And the length of the cable is 6 feet, probably a little bit more. You have, when it's time to put it up or put it down, the light. And if you want to change the color, you can go at white to soft white. This is plastic cell holder, and this is metal. You can see, wait, let me put it just to show you all the way down. Wait, I'm just going to put it a little bit more. Look at that. So, et voila. Okay, for sure is on my table. This is for sure, but something, look at that. Still not bad. I think we need to continue to build it up. So, see you later. Okay, when you build the stand, be sure the tripied is all the way down, or if you want, all the way stretched. So like that, it's not going to fall. Tied it at the same time. Here you have two knobs. You can just untie it and going up. Wait, let me show you. You can go it up, going down, and put it the way you like it. After that, one ball for the light when it's time to adjust the way you want. You have another ball here when it's time to adjust your cell phone, and you just tie it with this knob here. Okay, let me show you something. This is always stretched, almost I'm almost 6 feet, and this guy is 6'8". Let me show you something. It's not going to move. For sure, if you do, you know, it's not really bad. It's really great. This guy is holding perfectly. Okay, this is going to be white. Let's change color now. That's going to be like a sun. We said white, hot white, and this is between the both of them. Okay, we're going to do it again. I'm going to show you. This is white. This is hot white or soft white, and this is the middle between those two. I don't know if you see my face, but I hope you like it. Or I hope it's beautiful. I don't know. Okay, the gooseneck, it's not enough flexible. It's always coming back. It's for that what I did. I had put a rope just to be sure my cell phone is going to stay. Okay, we have another situation. It's not really fun. I know they gave you 6 feet of this cable, USB. It's nice. It's perfect. But where's this adapter? It don't come with it. Please give an adapter so like that if you need to plug it in electricity, it's easier to always find a power pack or the laptop, because everything here, it's metal. The stand is metal, the how to say that, the stretch is metal. Here everything is metal. this guy here is metal, and everything after that it's plastic. The only thing is going to be here, here, and here. This is all plastic. This video about that stand you can buy at Costco and Niger, I have problem to say it, and a few store. The model, I forget to say the model, is going to be Ep-pc0002 if you want to buy it. And see you, oh, I forgot, please don't forget to like it, and don't forget to subscribe. This is really important for this channel, for the support of this channel. And see you next week.